let's feed them before it starts raining more. A lot of food right there. Okay, I need to get the eggs. I'm wet. Be nice. Huevitos. Okay, it's been raining all day, so I had to put like a tire under this so it can have more support. So I'm gonna start feeding him a little bit more food. I've been cleaning all day. Since 7 a.m. I started cleaning the house. And yeah. So I'm ready to shower and eat. So I can take a little break because, oh my goodness. You my boyfriend's socks?